How to make Snapchat account public to private. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to switch your Snapchat account from public to private on iOS and Android. Here I'm using iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So head over and open your Snapchat. So once you're in your Snapchat, you're going to click on your profile, and then you're going to click on this gear icon at the top right. And here you're going to scroll down till you find the option of privacy controls, and under this you're going to click on contact me. So over here what you're going to do is simply click on friends and click on OK, and then go back, and here you're going to click on see me in my friends list, and you're going to toggle it off. And after that you're going to go back again, and next what you're going to do is click on activity indicator and you're going to turn it off. And once done, you're going to go back, and then you're going to click on comment settings, and here you can see that you can either click on auto approve my friends so that you can get comments from your friends, or auto approve. If your option is enabled on auto approve everyone, then your account would be public, but right now you're going to do it on my friends. And once you do and change all of these settings, your Snapchat account will be switched from public to private. So that is basically how you can make your Snapchat account public to private. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.